Welcome to Soil Nutrient Management. Today we are going to discuss about transformation of nitrogen. In atmosphere 78% of nitrogen and soil 0.02 to 0.4% of nitrogen is occur. This nitrogen are transformed into four forms: mineralization, immobilization, nitrogen fixation and losses of nitrogen. Formulas of different forms of nitrogen is given. Mineralization, conversion of organic nitrogen into inorganic nitrogen, that is available form. It can classified into three types. First, aminization, ammonification and nitrification. Aminization, conversion of protein into amines or amino acids, carried out by non-specific heterotrophic bacteria, fungi or actinomycetes. Ammonification, conversion of amine or amino acid into ammonium ions. After formation of ammonium ions, it may be utilized by plants, otherwise immobilized by organism or fixed with the vermiculite, or exist in soil solution or lost through atmosphere by volatilization. This process releasing hydroxyl, that is OH ion and carbonate ions. So it increases the soil pH. Remember, ammonification process increases the soil pH by releasing hydroxyl and carbonate ion. Nitrification. End product of ammonification is NH4, ammonium. So conversion of ammonium form of nitrogen into nitrate form is called as nitrification. It is a two-step process. First step, conversion of ammonium ion into nitrate form in the presence of nitrosomonas and nitrospira. And second step, nitrite is converted into nitrate in the presence of nitrocystis and nitrobacter. Nitrification process will remove 2 hydrogen in soil solution, so it will reduces the soil pH. Factors affecting nitrification. Aeration. There should be 20% of oxygen is needed for nitrification process, because here aerobic bacteria are involved in the conversion process. pH. Nitrification occurs 4.5 to 10 pH, but the optimum pH is more than 8.5. Temperature is 25 to 40 degrees Celsius is optimum for nitrification process. Redox potential. More than 250, it encourages the nitrification process, and less than 250 causes denitrification. Immobilization. It is a conversion of inorganic form of nitrogen into organic form of nitrogen. It occurs when organic material added to soil contain low amount of nitrogen and high amount of CN ratio. It causes denitrification. More than 25:1 associate net immobilization. Nitrogen fixation. Fixation is nothing but nitrogen is adsorbed on the soil colloid or soil particle. It is not available to plants. Nitrogen fixation is done by two different types. First one is a non-biological fixation of nitrogen. Second, fixation by clay mineral. Non-biological nitrogen fixation. Here, lightning and radiation splits the molecular nitrogen N2 into nitrogen atom and then combine with the hydrogen form ammonia NH3. Ammonia are washed off along with the rain and goes down into the soil and combine with the metallic ions form nitrites and nitrates. Ammonium fixation. It is greatest in 2:1 type of clay mineral such as illite, vermiculite and montmorillonite. Clay minerals possess negative charges. It is balanced by cations, for example ammonium and potassium. Losses of nitrogen. Nothing but nitrogen is immobilized by soil or not available by plant. First one is ammonia volatilization. Ammonium ions are converted into ammonia NH3 due to high pH. pH above 7 it will cause. Denitrification. Name indicates denitrification. So it is reverse to nitrification. Here nitrate and nitrates are converted into gaseous forms. Pseudomonas, algaligenes, bacillus are the bacteria which is responsible for denitrification process. Leaching and runoff. Coarse textured soil have lower water holding capacity. Therefore, a greater potential loss of nitrate from leaching when compared to fine textured soil is occur. Thank you for listening.